thing I like to call, and most herpers like to call, road cruising. For those of you who don't know what road cruising is, road cruising is simply hopping in your vehicle and cruising the roads, looking for snakes, turtles, any kind of herps that might be out on the road. We usually, as herpers, go out and road cruise simply just to find these things, to photograph them and document them for our own kind of fun. We also do it to get them off the road so they don't get hit. It's perfect conditions. Let's get to it. So what are we doing, Bo?
We're going to be flipping a little.
Flipping a little?
Flipping a little. Flipping a little.
Flipping a little. Flipping a little?
Flipping a little.
Oh, a little flipping?
A little flipping. I want to start with this.
A little flipping, you want to start with that one?
Yep. Nothing.
Nothing. Basically, since we're waiting for the right time for the snakes and stuff like that to be out on the roadways, it's hitting about that time. In the summertime, you usually want to hit her up around dusk, which we're hitting around that time. But in the meantime, while we're starting to kill time, might as well go ahead and do a little bit of...
Oh!
What?
There he is, right there.
Oh. That right there.
Is it our snake?
No. Right here, we have... That is an eastern worm snake.
Get over here. Quit. You can't burrow in me.
Yeah. That's what they do. They're a fossorial species, and they love to burrow. Absolutely love to burrow. Spend most of their life underground. That is super cool.
You just try to bite me. That's funny.
Wow, he is amazing. These eastern worm snakes, they have that pink kind of color on their sides, you know. Nice, your lifer eastern worm snake. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna get the release on this dude. Too cool. Well, it wasn't road cruising, but we got one.
We did it!
Alright guys, what we have here, just flipped. The first time ever flipping something this cool. Right here we have what looks to be a 5-on skink. And those white things that are around her are her eggs. And she is protecting those little eggs with her life. That is super cool. Wow. Wow, I'm so sorry I disturbed you. That is too freaking cool. That's amazing. That is awesome. Oh, there she is. He's awake. He's like, why did you disturb me? That's too cool.
Looking for snaky snakes.
Snaky snakes. Snaky snakes.
Hey Nord, I'm really just looking for anything.
Really just looking for anything?
Any wildlife.
Any wildlife.
At all.
Yeah, so for the cruising, it turned out to be a pain. I mean, mine ended up resorting to just...
Flipping?
Possibly.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
That makes me happy.
Alright guys, so road cruising wasn't working out that well, so we decided to go to plan B, and we're out here, where are we at? Somewhere in North, and we are on a trail, and we're just hiking the trail at night, and so far we've seen 3 different lizards. I have absolutely no idea what they were, but they were on the side of the trail and then they just took off. Barely got a glimpse at them. I don't know if they're some kind of skink Or what?
It's a nematode.
Bo seems to think it's a nematode. It would be nice to find another spadefoot tonight, but one of my goals is to hopefully see a copperhead. Kind of cruising around looking for some cicadas. Herping at night like this is just so intense.
Feasting on it.
Yeah, so far we've got a nice moth and a couple of these little millipedes. They're looking really cool. I don't know what they're feasting on. They are really pretty looking. So he's trying to catch a ride. Hey bro, you going east? You care if I get your lift? Be cool. Alright, what?
What'd you say?
I said keep your light there.
It is there.
Oh, it is? Okay, cool. Alright guys, so what we have here is a nice looking dusky salamander. Try to get him. Look at that. I was about ready to flip this rock. And then, oh, I'm gonna fall over. Wow. Super cool. Look at that patterning on his belly. On his back. That is nuts. Wow. Well, we got a herp. Never expected to find a salamander at night. Okay. You got it, Bo. You got it. You got it. You're good. Oh, you made it. Good job. Alright, we have a pack of moths. They're just eating on something. I don't know what it is that they're doing, but we are going to close on this, wrapping it up. We're going to head back to the house. Love this video. I love the night herping aspect of it for sure. If you guys are brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell notification and click all notifications so you don't miss a single time that I upload or go live. And yeah, let me know what your favorite part of the video was down in the comments. And I reckon I will see you guys in the next one. Take that back, guys. We just found a herp. A nice little green frog. He is looking pretty. Really pretty. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Super cool. Yeah, we were booking it down here and he did not even hesitate at all. Stood his ground. Alright, buddy, we'll leave you alone.